He said he's Donatello.
He's Donatello.
Can't go climbing.
Look, they're watching. Huh?
Can you climb a tree in bare feet?
No. That would hurt.
Did you see all the giant Chinese or Japanese people
Yes.
fighting in the army?
They were all,
look at there. And I like turn around and I'm like, what are these people? What are these children speaking? I'm like, they're Chinese or Japanese or something like that.
oh, there he goes. Oh, great. Now get that one and put both of them on Facebook.
Do you want to go join them?
Oh my gosh, Dane.
Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
We should go join in and be like, and then leave.
Go flash mob him.
Gosh, Mom.
Okay,
Great. Oh my gosh, he's gonna hurt himself.
He hasn't acted like that in a long time.
Joe's after him now.
Yeah. Wait, what? So he's
Call box.
Go back!
You're all stressed.